Hey guys, me here. Quick video today. Just gonna make a quick cake in a cup. Instructions written in red pen on my arm. Let's get started. So, reading the instructions. 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm meant to have baking powder, but I don't have it. So I've got self-raising flour to make it rise anyway, so it poofs. It poofs. 2 tea. I don't. Whoa! 4. That looks appetizing. How much sugar? 3 tablespoons. 1. 2. I'm healthy. I'm having 2. Healthy. 1 cocoa. Mash it because it's a bit hard. Make sure to sieve it out. No. That's right in front of your face. 3 milk. Oh, it's a new milk. New is always good. Right, I've got to measure out exactly 3 from this big bottle. 1, 2, 3, and a bit. How many vanilla extracts? 1. When does this go out of date? January, but it's fine. Can I use stuff that's out of date? It'll be fine without it. Right, let's show you this. This looks really good. Look at that, there's not even, I don't think there's enough moisture. Did it say put vegetable oil? I think it did. I don't know if that's enough, but this isn't a baking channel, by the way, but I'm just baking because I thought it'd be fun to do. This doesn't look right. I don't know, did it say put water in it? I put flour, put sugar, put cocoa, milk, and I ain't put vanilla extract. But I'm just gonna mix it and pray for the best. Fingers crossed. And this isn't the first attempt either, so can you just appreciate my skills? This is meant to be stress-free baking in a microwave, but it's turning out. This really isn't looking good, so I'm going to put a bit of water in it, even though it didn't tell me to. And it looks like a mess. Don't know how much to put in. Right, so maybe it's because I didn't use baking powder like it told me to. I just used self-raising flour because I didn't have baking powder. It's still mixing. As you can see, I'm a great cook. What's that? Something white in it. That's sugar that hasn't been mixed up. Oh, I don't see. It's meant to be stress-free. If you think this is right, then I think you need to learn how to cook. Like me. There's still lumps of flour in it. That's a nice noise. We've got frozen sprinkles. Thank you for microwave. When did these go out of date? 2016, maybe not. It looks like my dog's had an accident in a cup. This looks like a clump of dog mess. Look, I'm literally turning it upside down and nothing is happening. Move out, Mum. It's still in the microwave and it smells like lavender. Oh, this cannot be good. It smells like cake now. And oh damn. smells like lavender though, still. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Mitch out. But before you go, I'm just going to try a bit. So, the cup's fine. So, if we take a bit of the top off. Oh my god, it's like the texture of licorice or actual dog poo. This is so bad, and it's really hot. You know, like it's meant to be airy in a cake and bubbly and like rises. This hasn't risen at all. It's like a hard lump of dog poo that tastes like nothing cake. But the texture is rank. I'm going to end the video with what it's meant to look like at the end. I'll see you guys later. That's how still smell lavender though. See you later, bye. Okay, like, it's the next day and I'm editing the video and I need to put what it actually looks like, and oh my god, look at it. It's risen and everything. Like, mine just stayed at the bottom of the glass, like about here, just looking like it was feeling sorry for itself or something, and I can't blame it. Ooh. Like, I ended up binning it last night. It was disgusting. Actually rank. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.